Okay, one more video. The introductory unit, which we'll be doing for the first 10 days or so. Okay, so let me share screen again. Okay, here's the thing. And go back over to the content area. And here, click on, come down here, introductory unit, which is where I am already. This video will go right here. Not here yet, but it's not done yet. So here's the assignments. This is what we'll be doing for this particular set of these few days. Right. Let me do one more thing and show you while I'm here. Let me come back over here. I will put the due dates on the main page, but if you look over here at the course schedule, you get the full schedule down. This is it. The course schedule's always got the weeks and what's going on. So week one, this through the fifth actually. Is it we're going what I call an introductory unit. I have a few extra days in here because it just takes a little bit longer, gives everybody a chance to kind of catch up. So here's the things you're going to be doing. Here's join Slack and leave a hello in the general channel or whatever it's called. Join Padlet, okay? And once you join the Padlet, you briefly introduce yourself. And always remember to put your name on your thing. But if you'll sign into Padlet, you won't have to worry about it when you post something. Then join Perusall. Again, go to Perusall, click login or set up an account. Any email you want, it should be set up an account. I got to fix that. You'll get an onboarding link. You click on it. You're joining as a student. Here's your course code. 0451 has got a different code. Okay, so it's going to be on your Brightspace page. Here's a link to the help page, and then there's also that video shows you. And then in Perusall for this week, read the syllabus assignment and leave comments or ask questions, and then do the same thing with these little intro videos that I showed you about. That you should be doing that by next week. And then by the 5th, in Perusall, there's another assignment called How to Read Like a Writer. Annotate that. That's what we call annotating when you comment, when you highlight and comment, and then go to this Padlet and give your overall thoughts on the questions. Okay. And you can kind of keep it short. So that's on the schedule. So if we go back over here, right, go back over here to table of contents and intro unit. Okay, so this is just sort of a repeat of that. Okay, assignment one is join Slack. And there's the link again. Assignment two is to do uh, is to join Padlet, sign up for Padlet. Again, it's free, it's not city tech, it's not required. You can, if you don't want to sign up, just got to be sure you put your name on all your comments and your posts. And then Padlet right there. And here's the Padlet. Okay, and this will tell you what to do. Um, click on the big plus sign and put your name in the title. So this would be me, Jackie. Tell us how you feel about writing um, and about taking an asynchronous class and a little bit about yourself. I may add stuff to this. Add a link or a GIF and respond to each other. So write something fantastic. I love and hate writing. Um, eh, and I also love async classes because I get a chance to think about what I want to say before, whoops. It, this is, um, okay, so I want to search an image. Now there's other things you can add there too. You can upload a video, you can link out to something. You can upload for, let's see, how about a GIF? How about cat asleep? Yeah, that's mine. Okay. I have cats. So, yep, me after working too long. Okay, so then you publish. And there it is. Okay, and that's all you have to do. If you want to comment on that, comment it. Be sure you put your name on it. Or if you've signed up for Padlet, it'll put the name on there automatically for you. So that's the intro one. Right? Poor kitty. That's the intro, Padlet. Have fun. Talk about, anything you want to talk about. You can comment on what you do. I don't know why this is doing this, but ignore the J that's hanging there. I'll go back and fix it. All right. So the assignment 3 is to join Perusall. All right. Pretty simple. Join it using any access. This is supposed to be a parenthesis, I think, and use this little thing, which I gotta have to change this to join, okay, because you're joining the course as a student, and this is the course code, and it's 4 letters, not 5. And then you annotate just like I showed you. You go to the assignments. The first one is syllabus, and do just what I did before. You just highlight something, and the thing will pop up on the right. You say something. And this is a little bit about what makes a good annotation, okay? So maybe not all of these at once, but these are things to do, to think about what you want to put on there. Ask a question. I understand this. Suggest answers to questions. I don't understand this, I don't think, but this is what I think. Okay. Answer somebody else's question. If somebody's answered a question, but you don't think it's the right one, respond to the answer, right? And get a conversation going. Clarify, find a different way of explaining what's in there. Maybe even simply summarize what you were writing, just to give you a chance to kind of process it. If you got it wrong, I'll jump in and say, I'm pretty active on Perusall because I want to see what people are saying and respond to them. So you guys get active on it too. Connect with each other. You can connect it to another class you've had or something in your life. It just kind of sparks a memory or sparks an aha moment, put that out. Think out loud about what it's saying on there. This is not just for the syllabus, but this is for all the things we'll be reading. Some of them are a little tough. Add a link to a website or to a video or music or whatever you want. Taylor Swift is always appreciated, but anything you want. And then reply to each other. Really, the really fun stuff happens on Perusall when people start responding to each other. When we get to the Fuku one in the first unit, people just go completely nuts. There's some really long threads in the conversation area about Fuku, which I'm not going to explain now. Just something to look forward to. Okay, so that's the third assignment, is to go to Perusall and annotate the syllabus. And then the fourth one is go back to Perusall and do the two videos. Okay. Leave a comment on those two. And then the last part is go to Perusall and annotate the how to read like a writer, and then go to this Padlet and respond to the prompt. Okay. So this is about the reading. You're kind of reacting to what is been said in that particular article on Perusall. So what it looks like is, here's the syllabus. When you get into Perusall, here are the videos and how to read like a writer. Okay. And this has got a link to the Padlet. Okay. And these you just comment on. Again, it's going to look different for you because this is a instructor view. But it'll take you back over to the same Padlet. Okay. So I have redundancies that have redundancies that have redundancies, which is kind of my MO. So that is that. So that's all for the introductory unit. Again, this stuff is not due until, it's due on the 5th. The first one, okay, I'll put the dates up here too, but that's what's there. Okay. Introductory unit assignments. Here's a link to the Padlet on introductions and a link to the Padlet, how to read like a writer. Again, I have redundancies that have redundancies, and I will put from the course schedule, I will put, see, back to course schedule. I will copy and paste this part of it in that section as well. Okay, so this is the schedule for the unit. All right, so jump in, have fun. None of this is terribly serious, but it'll get you thinking about language and how people talk about stuff and how we read like a writer instead of just a reader because it's different. And get the conversation going. And I think that's all there is to it. That's the schedule, course schedule. Back to, okay, introductory unit, and that's it. So I'll put this video up here so you'll have it, but it's also going to be on the homepage, the course homepage, my course homepage. All right, so if anybody has questions, issues, they want to get in touch with me, my best suggestion is to join Slack. If you're completely in the weeds about this whole thing, email me and we can walk through it again. Lean on the videos, lean on me, lean on DM. And this first week or so is just for enjoying yourself, okay? And I'll go back and make those few changes on the text that are typos. Welcome to class. Have a good time. I can't wait to see the introduction pages, learn all about you, who you are and what you're doing. Okay, I will see you online.